everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to use a hexagon shape to create placemats for gift or for your family or for yourself. This you can put the place on or the bowl on to protect your table. The hexagon shape I will share in my description box so you can download and print this out for yourself. And this is let me tell you the size. This is 5 inches hexagon. So I have cut in here 6 with the red one with the same prints, the same fabric, 6 of them, and in the back here I cut 6 interfacing same size, and I already iron in here to save time because it's basic. You don't need to see me doing this. And also this here 6 pieces of the hexagon, same prints but different colors. So now you go on to place the right side to the right side, and you go on to sew. When you sew, you go on to leave one side about an inch and half open. So right here, so you go on to sew quarter of an inch here, go to here, go around, go to here, go down, go this way, go to here, lift this open so you can inside out. You're going to do 6 pairs of the hexagon, just 1 red and 1 orange. So now after I sew this around, I leave it here open. You're gonna trim the corners here. Press. After you iron, you're gonna top stitch all 6 sides. So continue to do so until you finish all 6. Everyone, after I top stitch all around and I have 6 pieces, I'm gonna show you these two. So If you want to face the red, then you fold the red up. If you want to face the yellow, then fold the yellow up. So right in this corner right here, you're gonna fold this down this way. Make sure that go one side to the other, like to here to here. And then you're going to bring this side over to make sure both sides fold it in. You iron this. Remember, whatever side you want to face up, then fold it up. I want to face the yellow like this, so it look like the flower, like this. And then the other one. You're gonna do all 6 pieces the same, like this. And then this corner, fold it in. You don't need to mark the line. Iron is good. Quicker. Because the lines, when you iron, it's staying down for you. Okay, so you go on to place this two together. And you go on to sew by following the line. All you need to do, clip it right here. And then from here, sew this. And then you open this, you add it more. I have 6 pieces all together here. We're going to do same thing, put it together one by one, and I will show you. So from here I'm gonna follow that line and I'm going to sew one by one. This is very simple, everyone. Everything is full for you. All you need to do, just follow and make sure the corner all connects together. I'm so happy that we be able to use a fabric scrap to create something here. I remember when I was little, learn how to sew by hand or quilt. Every little piece of fabric we have to make sure we use them all. No wasted. So funny here, and little thing they throw it away. But I use them all. Little piece of fabric, I use them. Someday I'm gonna share with you how to use the very tiny pieces to create something beautiful. But at this time, whatever I have the people order me to do, I share with you. And sometime that I have the request, not all the requests I do, everyone. Sometimes is I feel like I don't have time for that, and then I can. But other thing that if I think that I can have some spare time to share with you how to do thing that you request, then I'm happy to do so. So when kid back to school, I'm gonna get more busier. When they home, I don't have to worry. All I need to do is just cook for them, and when they get up, they just eat, and I have more time for myself. But when they back to school, I got busy. That opposite than other people. And when the school start, I'm gonna get a lot of things to do beside sewing and for my business and everything back to normal. So I'm gonna be a bit busy. But I'll still be here doing YouTube, and make sure everyone turn on the bell notification. Everyone, I have people told me that they so happy they get the bell notification, and then I look at the video, it's like a few months ago. So I don't know, sometimes I don't know what happened, but sometimes people don't get notification after I upload the video. And the hype, when you watch the video, make sure you click on the hype button to support my video, and also the like button too. And if you have any question, my email in my description box. Make sure you check in that. And then if you want to send me a picture of what you make from watching my video, I'm so happy to see. I have so many people that send me picture of what they make or ask me question. I was really happy people follow what I mentioned. That means that you pay attention. This item is really beautiful when you use for seasonal, like if you do for the fall, I'm using this for the fall. And if you use the Christmas, then you change into the Christmas fabric or anything you want, like any holiday, depend on the fabric you use. You know, I love doing YouTube because this is the place that we all get together. It's like a family. The other day when I read one of the comments, my subscriber, she's followed me since COVID-19. It's really long time ago, and she remind me when she make this and that with me during COVID. I was so happy to see um, some people that follow me since COVID and coming back. Very happy because I worry. I don't know what going on if I don't see the person come back and comment on my video. I get worried because it's COVID is like crazy. A lot of people lost their life and very sad. So I hope everybody's safe and return back to my channel someday. Not because I want them back for my YouTube video. I want to see them safe and okay. Now I finished sewing. You're going to iron this down, and then after that you're going to sew this down. You can leave it like this if you want to, it look nice, or you can go and sew if you want to sew. You're gonna go from inside, go top stitch 1, go into here, going down, go to here, next one, going here, going here, here, and then going around. And I will show you. This is so cute, and the fabric of your choice, everyone. If this go good with 2 different colors. I have made one for myself in the past with Christmas fabric, and I leave it like that. I don't sew it down, but because this one for order and the person asked me to sew it down, so I just do what it order. Continue to do exact the same, everyone. Sew it up, go down, and then from here going all around. Look how beautiful this is. The back, beautiful. Look at that. And let me tell you the side from top to the bottom here. This is 9 inch and a quarter. And you can use this for the place, and then the fork and knife, and or your bowl of soup or teapot, whatever. I just show you what to do, and you decide what you use it for. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that support my channel and my other channel as well. And don't forget to go to my description box to print out the hexagon template so you can make this. I just want to say thank you to returning subscribers and the new subscribers, and a special thanks to channel members. With your donation, I buy material for my future video, and that is a big help for me and my channel, everyone. So I have a lot of people ask me when they donate to my channel, how does that go? If you donate $10, YouTube take $3 out of that. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Love you, take care, stay safe, and I will see you next time.